Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to dive into the fun world of color grading in Filmora Mobile. So stick around and let's get started. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. First, launch the Filmora mobile app and start a new project by importing your footage. After importing, select your footage and go to the footer menu. From there, click on Adjust. Begin by adjusting the exposure, then increase the contrast, saturation, and vibrance. Next, adjust the brightness. Decrease the highlights slightly and lower the shadows. You can also modify the temperature to set the desired mood and adjust the tone as needed. To see the difference, use the before and after switch to compare the footage before and after the color grading. You can further refine specific colors using the HSL feature, allowing you to adjust the color of items like clothing or the sky for more saturation. Here's a comparison of the same footage before and after color grading.
My guys know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Cody's brothers, my guys know that they fly, know that they ride or die.
Additionally, you can incorporate stickers for cinematic flares, add a cinematic bar, or apply filters to grade your footage in your own style. Color grading and creating cinematic videos is easy with Filmora Mobile. Download the Filmora Mobile app now to explore your creativity. See you in the next video.
Alright, I like what you got there. Let me show you what I got. Check this out. Bring the bass line. Hey yo, shut it down.